Hello, it's Wednesday, January the 12th, 2011, and I'm Martin Smith with a daily outlook from UFXBank. The dollar traded mixed against the major currencies after a Fed Reserve official sounded concern about the strength of the US economic recovery. NASDAQ rose by 0.33% and the Dow Jones strengthened by 0.30%. Crude rose by 2.1% and closed at $91.11 a barrel, and gold jumped more than $10 to close at $1,384.30 an ounce. Today, the import price index is expected at 1.20% versus 1.30% previously. Treasury Secretary Geithner will speak, and the Beige Book and federal budget balance will be released. The euro rose against the dollar for the third day to cross resistance at 1.30 during the Asian trading session ahead of Portugal's bonds. The momentum of the euro-dollar seems to be bullish and facing resistance at 1.31. As long as the rate stays below 1.31, a short position is preferred. Overall, the euro-dollar traded with a low of 129.03 and a high of 129.92. Today, no major economic data is expected except the announcement on Portugal's bonds. The pound has been rising against the dollar in the last 4 days. Main support is at 154 on the daily chart. The pair broke resistance at 156.50 during the Asian trading session, only to recapture the range. Breaking 156.50 will take the pair toward 158. As long as the pair trades above 156, a long position is preferred. Overall, the pound-dollar traded with a low of 155.11 and a high of 156.39. Today, trade balance is expected at minus 8.20 billion versus minus 8.50 billion previously. The yen fell against the dollar. The momentum here is bullish on the daily chart, with the pair recapturing resistance at 83.40. As long as the pair is trading above 83.40, a long position is preferred. Overall, the dollar-yen traded with a low of 82.67 and a high of 83.48. No major economic data is expected today. Finally, the Canadian dollar. This strengthened against the greenback to break support at 0.99. Next support on the daily chart is at 0.9825. The trend is bearish, but expect a correction today. Overall, the dollar CAD traded with a low of 0.9891 and a high of 0.9949. No economic data is expected today. Well, that's it from me. Be sure to visit us at ufxbank.com for simple, safe, secure trading.